This event is brought to us by the City Government of Puerto Princesa, the Mega Apurado Administration headed by the Honorable Lucila R. Bayron. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a warm round of applause, please. Thank you so much. And ladies and gentlemen, feel the wonders of Christmas as the city's most acclaimed choir groups unveils their colorful harmony for our Christmas concert.
Ladies and gentlemen, prepare to be captivated by the enchanting melodies of the city's most celebrated choral ensemble. Let us begin the Christmas concert with Mateo Haglis Children's Choir and Santa Monica Bulilit Choir.
Ito na naman tayo, di na nagbago. Isasabit na siya, Merry Christmas. Ibuwag na magalang, kay kami ginagawa. Magtatawag yan, Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my with the long white beard, he's coming in town.
Puerto Princesa, ating pakinggan ang mensahe mula sa mapagkalingang ama ng lungsod.
Malakas na palakpakan para sa ating punong lungsod.
Maraming salamat po, Mayor Bayron. Alam mo, Jem,
Lahat na excited, make some noise! Ihanda na inyong mga cellphone to capture this moment.
and as we gather to unveil the community tree, we invite everyone as we embark on a countdown from 10 to 1, marking the beginning of a season full of joy, love, faith, and hope. Mga kalungsod,
Merry Christmas! Florida Princessa!
Amazing! Spectacular Christmas indeed!
Hindi makita
At
na.
syempre,
Hindi, nagtunay. Lokal.
Ang ating ceremony.
Oh, di ba, pangit? Oh, siya mo sa akin. Share na ko.
Kulang ang ating celebration.
Yung picture ko, maganda rin.
Sa ating programa.
kaya naman inanyayahan ang lahat na humarap sa ating indoor game facility dahil atin ang masisilayan ang Grand Para Musical Display!
Pangit ang pagkano. Ganda ng ano, ng light na sa'yo. Oh! Sira! Daw yan.